What's good, everybody? It's Z from The Mask, and this is the second part of the account growth series that we are starting. It is currently Sunday the 27th, just a week after the last one, obviously. The account is now sitting at $345. Started this week at about 327. We're now at 45. We are up about $20. If you factor in swap, we're up 18, which if you do the math on a $300 account, we are up 6%, which means for this week, we averaged 1.2% per day, which is obviously really, really good growth. I'm going to quickly go through all of the orders here of the last week, and I'll quickly update it so you know it's not like edited or anything. Like I said, we're up $18 on the account, which in dollars I get isn't a lot. People aren't going to go crazy for $18, but you have to keep in mind that on small accounts, percentages are actually a lot more important than dollar amounts are, because otherwise your psychology is just going to go all haywire. If you start chasing like 100, 200% gains on these small accounts because you want to make $200, $300 a day, you're going to mess things up very quickly. But you can see here we didn't trade too much. There aren't too many positions. There's 2 dividends that came in for some buy positions I was holding, which account for the 6-cent deposit at the top that you see there. We did have one sell, or I did have one sell just yesterday. Or not yesterday, on Friday, 2 days ago. I forgot it's Sunday already. Just to get the account basically over 345, because we were sitting at like 44.98 or something like that. It was very close, and I just wanted it to be 45 because that's a better number. And my OCD kind of kicked in. I had to enter that little short trade. But again, most of the trades here are buys. The vast majority of them is. They are obviously all winners because my system is the GOAT. So far, we are up. What would $45 be? 15%? In 2 weeks, 15% in 2 weeks. So we are on track to do 30% in this one single month, which is quite a lot. Now, again, it's obviously weekend, so I can't show you the market movement here. But I have all my orders set here for the new week, hoping that we do get a crash to the downside here sometime soon. Maybe even on Monday open. I'd love to have a crash on Monday open so I can fill all of these buy orders. Again, obviously a live account here you can check. I grew both of the accounts a good percentage over this week. I have more accounts that I'm not showing here because this is just a trading, I basically set this phone up for the trading challenge here. And yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, we're up about 6% this week. Last week before that was about 7%. So the 15%, we're on track to do 30 per month, or at least for the first month here, which is obviously really, really good. 30% a month is going to make you rich incredibly quickly. But yeah, that's about all I have for you in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.